knows what exotic audio has to offer these days in the world. What the? Something's pulled the plug on a ship's power. This galaxy seems to be devoid of music. Now we've got the third in the tank to make the jump to hyperspace. Prepare for emergency landing.
Crash landed on an uncharted planetoid. The world seems desolate, but planets can show a faint sound signature. If I can locate the source, I can repower my ship and get back to the mission. Just hope there aren't any hostile robots or snarling beasts out there. With no music to sample, I should have a few sound rounds left.